10 things behind every successful blogger. Consistency. Successful bloggers are consistent in their posting schedule and always deliver quality content on time. Knowledge. They have a deep understanding of their niche and continuously research and learn to stay up to date. Engagement. They actively engage with their audience through comments, social media, and email, building a loyal following. Passion. They have a genuine passion for the subject they write about, and their enthusiasm comes through in their writing. Creativity. They are creative with their content and find unique angles to explore their topics. Persistence. Successful bloggers don't give up easily and persist through challenges, setbacks, and failures. Branding. They have a strong brand identity and use consistent branding across all their platforms. Analytics. They track and analyze their website traffic, social media engagement, and other metrics to optimize their content and strategies. Monetization. They have a clear monetization strategy and know how to generate revenue from their blog through ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, or other means. Networking. They build relationships with other bloggers, influencers, and brands, which can lead to collaborations and partnerships.